Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Zaki Surya Fadilah, or you can call me Zaki. So today I'm going to share a book review of one of the most touching Indonesian novels I've read. It calls Hujan by Tere Lie. If you are into emotional stories with a bit of sci-fi, then this might be the right book for you. The title of the book is Hujan, which means rain in English. It was written by Tere Lie, a well-known Indonesian author famous for his emotional and philosophical novels. This book was first published in 2016 by Gramedia Pustaka Utama. The price of the book is around 18 to 100,000 rupiah, depending on where you buy it, either online or in bookstores. So, the book combines science fiction with deep emotional storytelling. Tere Lie's writing is poetic and full of metaphors, especially around the theme of rain, which symbolizes sadness but also healing. The futuristic world building combined with human emotion makes this book very unique. It's not like Red, but it's powerful and thought-provoking. The novel Hujan begins with a mysterious and emotional scene. A young woman named Lyle visits a memory erasing clinic where she plans to erase a painful memory that has haunted her from years. From there, the story unfolds through a long flashback, revealing what led her to this point. Lyle was just a teenage girl living an ordinary life in a futuristic world filled with advanced technology and artificial intelligence. But everything changed when a massive volcanic eruption destroys her city. In this devastating natural disaster, she loses her mother and nearly dies. She is then rescued and taken to a survivor shelter where she begins a new life. In this shelter, she meets Aesop, a kind, smart, and sportive boy who helps her recover emotionally. Aesop becomes her best friend and source of strength. They grow close and their bond slowly turns into love, but it's a silent, unspoken love. As time passes, Lyle and Aesop start building their futures. Aesop is passionate about science and dreams of creating meaningful inventions to help humanity. Meanwhile, Lyle begins to find her purpose too. Their relationship remains strong, though still undefined. However, when Aesop receives a life-changing opportunity to work on prestigious scientific project in another city, he decides to leave. She chooses his dream over his feeling for Lyle. Though it hurts her deeply, Lyle supports his decision. Aesop's departure leaves Lyle heartbroken. She struggles to move on, though she tries to be strong. The weight of her memories, especially the pain of losing both her mother and Aesop, become too much to bear. Eventually, Lyle decides to visit the memory erasing clinic to forget Aesop and all the pain associated with him. This is where the story began. Just before the procedure begins, Lyle reflects on her memories, both painful and beautiful. She starts to realize that even though the memories hurt, they also made her who she is. In the end, she chooses not to erase her memory. Instead, she accepts her past, learns to live with it, and decides to move forward. And the end. However, this story is not just about love, it's also about trauma, recovering, and making hard choices in life. Lyle is faced with the decision of whether to erase her memory of Aesop to heal from her pain. And yeah, so that's my review of Hujan by Terelie. If you are enjoy emotional stories with a futuristic twist, I highly recommend this book to anyone who enjoys emotional and reflective stories with a futuristic edge. So that's it for today, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.